I helped a restaurant that has 2 branches bring back 352 customers in 60 days. Average order was about $220. That's $77,000 generated in 60 days. There were no new menu, no ads involved. We just reactivated from customers that they had already forgotten. I'll show you the entire systems along with the prompts that were used. Step 2 is where most owners get wrong. And this wasn't a one-off. Another distributor that we worked together saw an increase in 22% in revenue in just 3 months using the same system. So most owners actually try to look for new customers, more ads, more flyers, more leads, but they forgot about people that had already paid them. Customers that have already paid you before, it's actually much easier to ask them to come back again. This restaurant in particular had 7,000 plus past customers. We didn't need all of them to come back. We only needed 5% of it. Remember this, you don't need a miracle, you just need 5%. So their customers was trapped in a third-party reservation platform. We exported the entire list, we got their WhatsApp number and email, and we utilized both channels, basically doubling the chances that they have. We trained Claude on 20 new promotions in the voice of the owner. So we actually got the owner to voice to text and read out 20 different promotions just so that it sounds like you. Claude sends out the WhatsApp messages in very small batches so that we do not get flagged. The 20 different promotions were rotated and each message was personalized to the customer. Here is where we did differently. Most business owners broadcast the same message across their entire CRM. That is actually how you burn a list. The reservation platform also knew about birthdays and anniversaries. So we found people that were celebrating an anniversary or birthday on April and May and invited them back. Birthdays got a free cake and anniversaries got a free bouquet on the house. These were one of the best conversions in the entire system. Okay, now I'm building this live, no code with no developer. So by the end, the restaurant will actually have a machine that brings back all customers every morning. The owner just have to type 2 words, and the tool that I'm using is the whole reason why this is easy. Now let me show you. We are using Cowork, and we are now in Claude. Basically, in Claude, there's chat, Cowork, and code. We will be using Cowork because it's the in-between. It will be able to help you with your folders. It can access browser. So it's more than chat or just asking questions and then having to do it manually, copy and pasting. But you don't actually need to learn how to code. And in here, what we're going to do is open up the project, start a new project. I will start from scratch and I will call this the winback engine. Instructions, what exactly its job is. You run a winback system for the copper pot. It's a restaurant. Your job is to bring back past customers by messaging them in the owner's voice on WhatsApp. You will never send without my approval. The trigger word let's go runs the daily routine. And the word approve means send and log. Follow your daily manual for the steps. This will be the standing brief. What I'll be doing is also uploading the promo bank and the customers that is in the Excel list. You can actually get your customer list from a platform, a delivery platform, a reservation platform. This is the list of your customers that you will be reactivating. I'm just going to upload here and open it up so that you can see. This is the Excel list of the demo customers, and you'll see that it has the first name, phone, email, branch, and visits, and the last visit date along with any special occasion. Some platforms actually have these feature. When booking, they can actually tell the platform if there's any special occasion. This is when the function is available. If it's not available, that is also okay. Okay, and then in the promo bank, each promo is actually using
the owner's actual voice. So that means that these texts, I saw your birthday is coming up, happy birthday from all of us, come celebrate this month and the cake is on us, reply with a day and I'll have it ready. This is actually done specifically by the owner, how we train the AI voice as well. Basically, what we did was we came up with 20 promos and we asked the owner how he would go ahead and invite a guest or a friend back. And I highly recommend using voice to text so it sounds as human and as casual and as friendly as possible. We actually segregate them into 3 different types of promos: special promotion, proven winners, and rest of the rotation. If you do not have a proven winner yet, that is also fine. Just give it all the promotions so that when we are sending it out, it can test which is the best performing promos and you can basically rotate them. So now the voice and the list is all done. The first thing that I want to do is to enrich the list. How do I do that? So this is what I'm going to tell it. Look through the customer list. For anyone whose visit was a birthday or anniversary, work out the month from the date that they came. Add a occasion month column, save the file, keep it updated as new visits come in. So now you can see how it's being set up and the schedule is also on. Okay, now here is the tab added for occasion month. So now we know each individual customer, those that we have the data, we know when will they book for what, right? So for example, for Sarah, it's June and the occasion is a birthday. Now, the project knows its job. It has all the materials. Now I will ask it to write its own daily manual. Write your daily manual and save it. The trigger word is let's go. So on let's go, you have 2 tasks. Task 1, read the WhatsApp web window for replies to the last batch and check the showed up column where the staff will mark who came in. Log who replied or visited. Note which promo was given. Update when each person was last contacted and remove anyone who replies stop. Task 2 will be to draft 20 to 30 messages daily for birthdays and anniversaries each month first. Once the list is done, go down the dormant list, rotating different promos. On the first of each month, check next month's occasion first. So only message a person once a month maximum. Skip anyone contacted in the last 30 days. Send in small batches in business hours. And first messages with a soft opt-out. Show me a table. I want it to show customer name, last touch, draft message, to approve before sending. On approve, send and save the sheet. Now it has written its own daily manual. I just talked, tell it its task. There's no code required. Okay, now before I trust it with the entire list, I will test it small first. Draft the first 5 messages so I can check them. Okay, now you can see how the first 5 messages are all birthdays and anniversaries because the instruction is that they have to go through all the promotions first, any events and occasions first. So this is correct, looks perfect as well. And now I'll actually be showing you how I would use it on a daily basis. Okay, now going back to project, Winback engine, what you can actually do is you can tell it with the trigger word and we will see what it works and how it works. So every morning, the owner just have to go through with this once with 2 words, let's go. So this is the first run because there were nothing to reconcile since it's the first run. No prior batch was read or reconciled and it drafted today's draft, 25 of them, which I think it's pretty good. Okay, now what we are gonna do is on approve, it will open up WhatsApp web on the browser. and send it. So let's type approve. So you can see you are able to review the last touch and the draft message in a table format, exactly like what we wanted. And now you can see how every single promotion, it's not a broadcast message. Every single thing is personalized. And once you click on approve, it will open up WhatsApp web and send. So now it's sent and logged. All 25 rows updated as well. You can see how it is updated. Last outreach and the promo that was given. The staff will then manually track if they have actually showed up, and based on this, you will then be able to start collecting data. So there is also a reply column. This is for WhatsApp. Basically, this is for the AI to check through to see if there's any reply. If there's any opt-out, it will also show up here. And the show up column is for the staff to manually add that in. Okay, so now next morning, what we'll be doing, it's just saying 2 words, let's go. And the following day, see how it is reconciling. Since there's no replies or show up, it will basically log nothing. And then it will draft new messages for us as well. So basically, this is the entire machine. We just need 2 files. This takes less than 15 minutes to set up, a few sentences, and just 2 trigger words. The restaurant that I've built this system for actually saw 352 customers come back within 2 months and an increase in $77,000. So if you want this to be built for your business, feel free to try it out on your own. And if you want to see if there's any leaks or anything that you can do to help your business basically get more customers or increase in revenue, the diagnostic link is down below. And I hope everyone found this really, really helpful.
Now, I get asked this a lot. Won't people feel annoyed? No, they wouldn't. They didn't leave you, they just forgot about you. So when you think about it, one customer actually only received 1 WhatsApp message and about 4 to 6 emails per month. Some people say that they do not have a list. You definitely have a list. Look at the WhatsApp that people have sent you for inquiries. Look at your reservation system or your delivery platform. Just start with your last 100 to 200 customers. And if you don't want it to sound like AI, you have to train it with your voice, the way you speak. Read it, refine it, and send it. So 3 steps. Get a list out. Let Claude personalize each and every message sent out. Send them to warm, then to new. So in month 3, we are planning to use the winning promos into small ads to test out and still rotating the winning promos that customers prefer. If you would rather have this system installed for you, that is actually what we do here in the leverage method. The diagnostic link is in the description below. Audit your business, find out where you are leaking revenue, and implement these small changes today.